Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find draft reels on Instagram. To access and manage drafts on Instagram, make sure to follow these steps. Firstly, open the Instagram app. Once you're in your Instagram account, tap on the plus icon from the bottom bar. From the upload section, go into Reel. Now within Reels, you'll find the drafts. Simply tap on the draft section from here. Once you're in, you will see your draft reels listed here. If you have drafts saved, you can select one to continue editing or post it. Tap on the draft you want to work on and it will open up in the editing interface. Once you've selected a draft, you can continue editing it or proceed to the posting screen. Make any additional edits if needed, and then tap on the arrow icon to move to the caption and sharing options. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.